A huge reason why so many people are struggling in sales today is sales isn't what it was before. Your customers are not looking for you to list the features, the benefits, to tell you about their product. They're looking for you to ask relevant questions and understand them. Today's customer has access to all the information in the world, so they can already get the quick answers about your product. What they need not just a problem solver, but they need a problem finder. Somebody who's able to determine, hey, what's going on with your current situation? What are you guys really looking for? Why are you looking for that? And like a good doctor, be able to diagnose what's going on with their situation and prescribe the right solution for them. Spend less time talking about your features and more time asking the right questions. If you want to know more about which questions to ask, consider giving me a follow. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career is gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.